Guys, this is Jeremy from 75 Built. Just wanted to give you guys a quick tip. We've got our bed light here. Quite often it's on and people are like, what the heck's going on? Well, you've accidentally bumped it on or you forgot about how to turn it on and off. Well, let me show you what to do. Come on through. So here we've got the bed light button right near our kneecap, and often people come in and whack it with their knee. So what you want to do is, it's stuck on the on position usually when the light's on. You want to turn it off, or you could use the door option in the middle. So yeah, super weird little thing, but a lot of people just don't know about it. So there you go.